Ipag-drive ako ng boyfriend ko doon sa ano yung falls na pupunta namin, yung parang maganda ang view. So papakita ko sa inyo kasi ang ganda ng weather today. Guys, dumating na kami dito sa area kung saan makikita yung falls dito. Sa Sweden pala to guys. Ito yung area guys. Marami rin tao dito pumupunta dahil ayan, may mga ano din. Yan yung ano, yung papunta doon sa falls. Sa falls. Sa falls. Yeah. Yan guys, malapit na kami sa falls. So, yan. Uy. It's cold. Ooh, it's cold right now. Ooh, it's cold. Very good. Oh, it's cold. Oh, my God. It's cold. Oh, yeah. Ay!
It's just an wind, you know.
Oh, diyan pa ang falls, guys. Ang lamig. The water comes to me.
You feel it. It's good.
Yeah.
You can also go to the other side there up there.
Oh?
See the people on the other side?
Yeah.
You can also go there.
Oh, stop.
Yeah, the wind direction.
Ah!
You see?
Oh, the rainbow. Wow. Have a rainbow, guys. Guys. Yan. Oh my God. Nice. Ganda. Oh, may rainbow doon, guys. Oh, ganda talaga. Can go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ganda dito, guys. Thank you, my love, for bringing me here. Super ganda, guys. And the first time nakakita ako ng rainbow. My love. Ganda. Yan guys, may mga upuan din dito sa mga tao na pumupunta, mag-relax dito. Tapos ang ganda pag narinig yung ano, yung tunog ng water habang umupo dito at nakaka-relax ng pag-iisip. Mawala talaga yung problema nyo dito, stress, anxiety, depression. When you come this place. Ayan guys, punta kami doon sa other side ay. Ito, makikita natin yung buong ano talaga. Falls episcot. This is stupid. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. I can see everything here. Oh my God. Don't go there, my love.
No.
Oh, na ano ko yung ano dito guys, yung tubig na maano dito sa ano ko, sa mukha ko. Maabot yung ano talsik ng tubig dito. Ganda talaga dito. And there's a lot of blueberry here also, my love. Yeah, I saw there in the beside the falls.
That's possible.
Mm-hmm. So I saw the trucks also. Then the people will not lose. Huh?
I don't know if this is just a truck or something.
Yeah, maybe this is truck. So people will not lose when they're coming here, or just walking. I don't know why they put some like color on the. It's a mark,
It's just marking the track.
marking in the tracks. I think
Yeah.
this one, my love. Oh.
Yeah, it's just marking in the track.
Tingnan nyo ba guys, oh, may nabiyak dito na bato. Ang lalim kaya niyan, oh guys, oh. Yan, oh guys. Dangerous yan pag nahulog. Kasi nagkaroon ng cracking dito, oh. Yung bato parang ano, cave doon sa ibaba. Yan. Yeah, that's a dangerous way. Oh, fuck! Pauwi na kami guys, tapos na kami na nanood dun sa falls. Nag-drop kami dito sa maliit na coffee shop. Galing doon sa galing doon sa falls. Ayan, yun po in-order namin. Dito kami sa labas. Kasi ang ganda ng weather. Ayan. Ito po yung Swedish small town. Okay, tapos na kaming nagano ng coffee doon. Tapos ayan na. Magda-drive, mag-ano lang kami, road trip lang kami ng aking boyfriend at anuhin namin tong lugar dito kasi medyo never pa siyang parang road trips baga. So titingnan namin kung may makikita pa kaming mga exciting view, exciting places dito sa Sweden kasi nandito kami guys sa Sweden. Yan. So still nice weather for today. Today is a very nice weather. So yan, mag-road trip muna kami. Ayan guys, dito naman kami sa sa area na to. Ang area nito is ano to, yung sabi ng boyfriend ko is ng Ano to? What is this? Power supply. Punta kami doon sa taas, guys, kung ano makikita namin doon. Ewan ko kung this is allowed, my love. Maybe it's not allowed. I'm scared. Maybe high voltage there.
Then just come and I don't think it's okay. Just come and take some and you talk Philippines, you know. Not understand.
Is allowed to go there?
Yeah. Hold your hand, my love.
Barihar lang, my love. I'm scared.
Yeah, if you don't want to go there, you don't need to go there.
Yeah, we go home.
I don't need to go home. More power?
Power to build here?
Yeah, maybe they're expensive. They're bringing a big gate. Maybe do some work down there.
Oh?
Because it's so this is just a fence, so the water shall not come, so they can work down there. Maybe. I think so.
Okay.
So this will go away after.
Hindi na ako napunta doon sa dulo. Gusto ako dalhin ng boyfriend ko kasi takot ako eh. May phobia kasi ako sa water. Patakutin na kasi ako. Sweet meal for the barbecue. So yan guys, ang ulan namin, barbecue tonight. Meat and fish. Yan na yun, ready na yung namin, barbecue. Yan. Malapit na siyang matapos yun sa pagkakat ng damo. Pero bukas na yan, tapusin. Kasi bukas po kami uwi guys. Yan. Hirap din cutting ng grass eh. Ayan.
Almost finished, my love.
Yeah. It's good. Tastes good.
I think they're finished, my love. Don't need to burn them.
Okay. The fish is okay. The fish also is okay.
This is okay? Yeah, the fish is, I think it's okay. I don't want to overcook it.
So I go inside, I'm preparing everything there.
Everything is arranged. Have you barbecue a fish before?
Yeah, tagay yung namin, dinner namin. Tapos na yung dinner namin. Sorry. So guys, uwi na kami. Uwi na kami sa bahay ng aking boyfriend. Ayan. At nagsimula na kaming mag-drive. Ayan yung boyfriend ko, smiling always. So, ayan guys. So, I hope na panoorin nyo pa rin yung mga video ko. At thank you po sa support nyo. And God bless us. So, bye.